our viewers these exclusive visuals that we are getting. Look at the moment when the plane crash happened, viewers. Extremely unfortunate. There you see a huge fire, a huge blow of smoke up in the air as this plane crashed, as this tragedy happened. We're getting you the exact moment when this unfortunate tragedy took place. Of course, this aircraft was traveling from Ahmedabad to London's Gatwick Airport. Ladies and gentlemen, 242 people on board is what we are getting to know. And its departure time was around 1:10. Then it shifted to 1:38. Let me go across to my colleague Hina. Hina, these are exclusive visuals we are getting for our viewers. The exact moment when the plane crash happened. Extremely unfortunate and tragic.
Well, that's right. It's an unfortunate tragedy that we can say. Now we have more information, Shreya, that we can tell our viewers about what exactly happened. So it was an Air India B787 aircraft which was operating flight AI-171 from Ahmedabad to Gatwick, and this crashed immediately after takeoff from Ahmedabad. There were 242 people, there were 242 persons on board, which had 2 pilots, 10 cabin crew members. The aircraft was under the command of Captain Sumit Sabharwal with First Officer Clive Kundar. Captain Sumit had 80-100 hours of experience. As per ATC, the aircraft departed from Ahmedabad.
I'll come back to you. Right now, I'm joined by Ahmedabad collector, Mr. Sujit Kumar. Mr. Sujit Kumar, can I first understand from you what exactly has happened there? Okay, we'll try and reconnect with Mr. Kumar. There are reactions still coming in, and my colleagues Hina and Rishabh continue to be with me on the broadcast, getting us more and more details that are still trickling in, viewers, of the exact reason for this absolutely unfortunate tragedy that has taken place near Ahmedabad. That exact moment is when the plane crash occurred. These are exclusive visuals we are getting for you. 242 people on board this tragic, this particular aircraft. Hina, you were telling us more details of who was there on board, the number of people, and of course more and more details that are still trickling in. Go ahead.